Morning, my dear students. Today, let us take trigonometric ratios of metric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. See, following are the complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios complement. For example, sine of 90 minus a equals to cos a. Like this, cos of 90 minus a equals to sin a. Then tan of 90 minus a equals to cot a. Then cosec of 90 minus a equals to sec a. Then sec of 90 minus a equals to cosec a. Then cot of 90 minus a equals to tan a. Like this, we have to learn about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. So, sin of 90 minus a cos a, cos of 90 minus a sin a, tan of 90 minus a cot a. Like this. Instead of angle a, you can use also theta. Sin of 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Then cos of 90 minus theta equals to sin theta, or tan of 90 minus theta, that is equals to cot theta, etc. You can use angle theta or angle A. So this one is the topic where we have to learn the exercise 11.3. These are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, where the 11.3 exercise, these formulas are using. These formulae are using. This one is the sin of 90 minus a cos a, cos of 90 minus a sin a, tan of 90 minus a cot a. Utilizing these principles, we have to solve the exercise 11.3. Okay. Now write down neatly all these angles, trigonometric ratios of the complementary angles. Now let us start the exercise. Exercise 11.3. Exercise trigonometry exercise 11.3. The first question is sign of evaluate. Sin of 18 divided by cos of 72. Cos of 72. Sin of 18 equals to cos of 72. Okay, that is equals to sin of 90 minus 72. 90 minus 72 is 18. So divided by cos of 72. See, sine of 90 minus A or sine of 90 minus theta cos theta. Instead of theta we can put 72 cos 72 divided by cos 72. Cos 72 gets cancelled, that is equals to 1. Sine of 90 minus theta cos theta, denominator is being kept same. So the second one, tan of 26 divided by cot of 64, that is equals to tan of 90 minus 64, that is 90 minus 64 equal divided by cot of 64, that is 90 minus 64 is 26. So tan of 90 minus 64 divided by cot of 64. So tan of 90 minus theta cot of 64, that is equal to cot 64. Cot 64 gets cancelled, that is equals to 1. Now the third one is cos 48 minus sin 42. Third, cos 48 minus sin 42. Okay, you can alter this one. There is cos of 90 minus 42 minus sin of 42. Anyone you have to convert into complementary angles, not both. So cos of 90 minus sin 42 minus sin 42 plus sin 42 minus sin 42 cancels, that is equals to 0. Okay, now the fourth one, cosec 31. Fourth, cosec 31 minus sec 59, that is equals to cosec 90 minus 59 minus sec 59. Okay, cosec of 90 minus theta sec 59 minus sec 59, which is equals to 0. Write down 11 point, exercise 11.3, first question. 1, 2, then here is 3, then here is 4. Yes, question number 2. See, show that tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. This dot indicates the multiplication. Tan 28 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67. Okay. Now, all the angles given are tan of angle 48, tan of angle 43, tan of 42. So, like that, let us rearrange these things. Tan 48, tan 42. Okay, to tan 23. Tan 67. we have to show equals to 1. So tan of 90 minus 42. 90 minus 42 is 40. So this one keep as it is. Tan 40 into tan 23. Tan of 90 minus 63. 90 minus 63 is 23. Okay, keep as it is this one. Tan 67. Okay, tan 67, not 63, 67. Now, tan of 90 minus theta, that is cot 42 into tan 42 into tan 90 minus theta, cot theta into cot of 67 into tan of 67. Okay, cot 42 we can write as 1 by tan 42 into tan 42. Then equals to cot 67 you can write as tan 67 into tan 67. Okay, tan 42 gets cancelled. Tan 67 gets cancelled. That is 1 into 1. So that is equals to 1. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. We got the value as 1. Next, cos 38, cos 52. See, cos of 38 into cos 52. Sin 52. Write down this question. Okay, now see is cos of 90 minus 52. That is cos of 52. Then sin of 90 minus 38. No, that's 90 minus 52 means that is 38. So this equals to sin of 52 into cos 52 minus sin 52, that is sin of 90 minus the cos 52 into sin 52, sin 52, sin 52, cos 52, cos 52. That is same one. We can write that is cos of 52 into sin of 52, cos of 52 into sin of, that is equals to 0. So we can write in order, that is sin of 52, cos of 52 first, then in that case also sin of 52, cos of 52, which shows the a minus b, that is gets cancelled, equals to 0, LHS equals to RHS. This one is the whole term, so whole you have to cancel. Question number 3. Question number 3. If tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 19, cot of a minus 19, where 2a is acute angle, find the value of a, find the value of a. Okay, now let us consider the given tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 19, tan 2a can be written as cot of 90 minus 2a, that is cot of 90 minus 2a. See, cot of 90 minus 2a is tan 2a. So that is the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Tan 2a can be written as cot of 90 minus 2a, which will become tan 2a. Here cot of a minus 19. Now tan 2a minus 19, let us compare. 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 19. Okay, now 19 minus 2a, 90 minus 19 plus 19 equals to a minus 2a plus 2a. 109 equals to 3a, therefore a equals to 109 by 3. Okay, cot of a 9. Okay, now here if we consider the tan of 18 given, tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18. In the textbook, that is 18 is given instead of 19. So tan 2a we can write cot of 90 minus 2a equals to cot a minus 18. So 19 minus 2a equals 18, 90 plus 18 equals to, that is a plus 2a minus 2a get transferred. So 108 equals to 3a. Therefore a equals to 108 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3. A equals to 36 degrees. A equals to 36, which is an acute angle. Which is an acute angle. A equals to 36. Now the next one. Next one. If tan A equals to cot B, prove that A plus B equals to 90. Question number 4. If tan A equals to cot B, prove that A plus B equals to 90. Say given tan A equals to cot B. Tan A equals to cot B. Okay. Now tan A equals to cot of cot B can be 90 minus B. That is tan, sorry, cot B can be written as tan of 90 minus B. Okay. Let us compare. A equals to 90 minus B. Giving back the tan. So A minus B transfers, that is A plus B equals to 90. Hence good. See, tan A equals to cot B. Tan A I have kept as it is. Cot B is written in the form of the trigonometric ratios of allied angles. That is tan of 90 minus B is nothing but cot B. So that is tan of 90 minus B is written. So angle as compared, that is A equals to 90 minus B. So minus B is transferred, that is minus B becomes plus B. So A plus B equals to 90. What we have to do? Okay, write down. Okay, see, express sin 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric basis of angles between the 0 and 45. Given sin 67 plus cos 75. Sin 67 means sin of 90 minus 23. That is cos of 23. So cos 75 is cos of 90 minus 15. So that is sin 15.